Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and today we are going to custom repaint the Marvel Select Immortal Hulk action figure. Special shoutout nga pala kay Sir Jared. Thank you very much, sir. Super, super cool. Sobrang ganda lang ng condition ng Immortal Hulk niya. Thank you, thank you. And to my client, thank you very much din sa pag-avail nito. Okay, first step is to use Bosny number 191 flat clear as our primer. It is recommended na gumamit tayo ng primer para lahat ng paints na i-apply natin mag-stick dun sa surface. Okay, next step is to use heavy green para dun sa mga shadows natin. So, ang technique na gagawin natin dito ay layers and layers of paint starting from the darkest, mid-tone to the highlights. So, yung movement ng brush ko dito, flicking motion para magkaroon ng mga brush strokes. So, comic book paint style yung ginagawa natin dito. Okay, after the dark green layer, mag-add naman tayo ng acid slime. Thank you very much nga pala, Hero Paints, for always sponsoring our projects. Ayan, nagmix na rin pala ako ng yellow and white. So, ganun pa rin yung movement ng brush natin. Mayroong flicking motion para very gestural, very dynamic, and merong mga brush strokes. I'm using a round brush na merong fine tip. Okay, after that, ito lang yung status. And then next na color na i-apply natin should be lighter. So nagmix lang ako ng white dun sa previous mixture natin. Okay, so after nyan, more white. As in white na lang talaga yung i-apply natin. So yun yung last layer of color kasi yun na yung highlights eh. And then after the layers of colors ng mga green, different green hues and white, black na yung i-apply natin for the line art. Okay, for the line art, I'm using a finer brush para magawa natin yung mga line art na ginagamit natin sa pag-illustrate ng comics. Ako nag-illustrate din ako ng mga superhero na illustrations, mga drawings like Cyclops, Magneto, Hulk, Wolverine. So nagpa-practice din ako sa 2D sa paper. So kung ginagawa ko yun sa paper, tinatry ko siya i-translate dito sa 3D. So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Ito na ang ating finished na project. This is the Marvel Select Hulk, Immortal Hulk na green version. If makakita pa ako ng red and isa pang green, pwede natin gawing gray. Nakagawa na ako ng set nito na green, red, and gray versions. So gusto kong gawin ulit yun for the next couple of projects natin. Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Actually for the pants naman, ang ginawa ko lang dyan ay dry brushing effect. So you can emphasize yung sculpt details and add more layers and add more paints for extra weathering din. Ayan. So ito yung kanyang alt head and alt hands. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Excuse me po. Thank you, mga ma'am sir.